Good morning, Gohan Chow Chow. Ooh, who's the good boy? Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be starting the day off by looking at what may potentially be our next Tokyo Drift-esque clubhouse. I mean, that's how I kind of wanted to look at the studio space we have right now, and the goal was always to outgrow ourselves. So if you guys are new to this channel, basically what we do in this house is, this entire house is half our business. So downstairs is where my friend Shane takes care of all of the packaging, but as you can see, the merch stock has kind of traveled upstairs as well. So yeah, I think it's getting to that point. I've just been kind of getting the idea. We've already been in the studio space for almost 3 years now. So maybe it is time to try and entertain the idea of looking for a bigger shop. I mean, luckily for us, we got the corner house, so we can actually afford to fit a few cars here. Like just wrap it around all the way down side of the house. And our driveway is actually fairly big too. Looks like it can fit like 6 cars. It's just, it'd be nice to have a space where we can just do everything collectively in one spot. So right now, just waiting for our friend Sunny to get here, and we can go look at that shop. All right, we're on our way. I'm telling you guys, we have a particular budget in mind, and if the stars align, who knows, guys, who knows? You know me, I'm one of those people who like to jump off the cliff and then learn how to build a parachute on my way down. And then actually have it be successful. That's usually how things play out, but you know, it's good to take calculated risks, not just risks. What's up, Doogie? Might actually be the building. And Bay 105.
Yeah, it's a corner.
Oh! Okay, yo, let's take a look at the shop. Before I bring you guys in, I'm gonna just take a look at it first and then see if, yeah, we can get some clips. Whoa. So I think this used to be owned by like Granite Shop or something. This is insanely big, dude. Okay, looking for Lisa. Guys, what do you think? Wow, 2 garage bays. Is that 2 washrooms? Okay. Dang. So this is the front showroom area. It has a little front desk. This is the electric room.
It's wired up with cameras, right?
Yes. Wait, no way. No way it exists here. We can actually do our skit. There's already HVAC systems and fans built in here, so we can actually do spray booth. And then there's a mezzanine up here, which is what I was wanting to look at. Storage. Damn. What? Okay, no. This is cool. Oh, yo. Art room. Seriously, this is a real studio. Or photo studio, man. Oh, wow. An actual fan. What? Little business room. No way! A kitchen!
Yes. Bro, this is awesome.
Union break room!
Yo, this is awesome.
Wow. Okay, first, I think this is one of the older buildings. You can tell by the cabinets. Alright, let's look for Lisa.
Fit your needs.
This is way big. Like way more than we need, but this is like what we were looking for. So this is my friend Sunny, and I'm the one I was talking. What do you think? Probably one of the features of this building that will make us want this place even more. It's got a clock out time card thing. Dude, that's so industrial era. So ideally, we'd probably get a company to take all this cabinet out. We might use this because it's nice. It has like a wine rack, yeah. But we'll probably put the merch past the wood floors on that side. Lounge area or something. Who knows? This is a pretty big front area as well. So I told you, they're both washrooms. There can be one for female and one for alien. Actual stalls. No freaking way. No. Oh shit. Wait, why didn't the lights turn on in the men's washroom?
We can all take poos at the same time.
We can have shit wars. Okay, designated paint booth, because the fans are directed that way, right? And there's a little fan up there too. I feel like that area was a spot you can do stuff. Hello! Hey, keep it down. Sorry.
Come here.
Come hither. Oh, no way! A-Dubs is right behind us. Directly. Let's just open this door. Yo, new clubhouse. It's the stalls. For Sunny, it's that time card slot thing. Yo, for me,
It's the space.
yeah, it's how big it is. This place is sick.
So like, even if we put in like a curtain here, this could be like,
Man.
we can just like separate it where it's like a clean and dry bit.
Yo, we gotta get the YouTube popping, man. If we really want to make this happen, gotta put it on the goal list and work towards it. Man, this is sick. What?
Did you notice that?
Don't pee while standing in this washroom. What? You gotta make this official in blood. Just kidding. Just Power Rangers power. Guys, we may be doing something irresponsibly responsible. Now that daydreaming's over, next on the list is gotta go to FedEx to pick up some items. I think they're just like keychains that have been sitting there for like 2 days. Hi, Doki! Yeah, he's actually saying hi. All right. Dropping Gohan off my parents, just so he isn't lonely at the house. Where you go, my friend? Come on. Ring the bell. This ring. Oh, whatever.
Oh my god! What's up? Okay.
And his leash is in there. Okay, go on. Bye bye, doggy. Oh,
Bye, doggy.
don't care.
Bye, doggy.
Okay, thanks, mama. Bye, doggy. Bye, doggy. Ah! Go on. Count it. Thanks, homie. Yeah, God bless, man. Where's your friend? Oh, I didn't bring him this time. It's a chow chow, so it looks like a bear. Oh. But I'll bring Gohan next time for you. Okay, have a good day, guys. Take care. Oh man, these guys are always nice. They're like, where's my friend? And they were talking about Gohan. Cause sometimes, whenever I bring him, man, he gets super excited and he just like tries to climb over me while I pick up my coffee. But yeah, these guys love Gohan too. Okay, next thing on the list. We are finally sending off my Rocket Bunny V2 bumper to a guy named Romeo in Toronto. I've had it sitting in the shop for like 2 or 3 months now. It's just a matter of finding a way to transport it. And I think the cheapest way to transport a bumper in Canada, like domestic, would probably be through freight. Okay guys, false alarm. You need a pre-later account to send it through these guys' freight. So I'm just gonna check out my other options. Sorry, Romeo. Guys, oh, f you, Jetta. My dream car. Right there. Yeah, I think it's just in the lease. But this thing is so beautiful. Oh, that's money. Oh, that's so sick. Oh, we got some backfire. Yo, next stop, Coco Brooks. If you're Calgary local, you'll know how amazing this pizza place is. And if you haven't tried it yet, I highly suggest you guys do. Barbecue chicken pizza, also their banana bread dessert is to die for. Blue skies. Give me my food. Thank you, sir. No problem. Apparently there's just a set of wheels sitting outside.
Should we just grab all?
Yeah, just bring them all in. These are Larry's new wheels, by the way. Sonny pointed it out. They're just sitting right there.
I was like, whoa. Did they get put there by the mailman?
They're dirty! Yeah, those were so clean a couple days ago.
Bro, what the f?
It's okay. Your first hype shoes. Oh, when you said it, bro. Fresh too. Only one of the boxes is open.
Yo, which one is it? I think it's this one.
Man, baller. Baller.
Yeah, baller status.
Unused goods. Ray Graham lights.
Oh, I think this was the open one. I gotta do it towards the camera.
Stand by. Damn, son.
Hey, I didn't order these.
2 sets go the other way or something?
Yeah.
Coronavirus.
Yeah, take that all in before I do it.
That coronavirus.
It's a whole different country.
The extended ones too, because they look pretty deep.
Yeah.
Like those holes.
Yeah, extended lugs, man. Can you just use the tires on your car right now?
They're 17s.
Stretch. Alright, we are back at the garage. We picked up the rear bumper from Josh. So I think we can actually start reassembling the FRS. Or at least just start with the rear end. Also, if you're wondering about this FRS, I think Larry and Sonny are installing some aero parts on it or helping the owner. It reminds me of my phase 1 days. Except this thing is bagged. Nice wheels. Oh, super stretched though. Crazy. Oh, nice! Vlog day! Okay, just gonna go for it, man. Because we filled in the previous holes that we had on the rear bumper, me and Larry were able to make the rear apron fit way better. Nice. Maybe we shouldn't have used rusted bolts, but I'll probably just paint those black. And I had meant to replace these eventually with actual grommets. So I have those coming in, Amazon Prime. Should be here any day. Yeah, let's get on to the other side and continue putting on the rest of the kit. This thing is like super industrial. I'm gonna hand tighten these.
It's all Sunny's fault.
Sunny! Hi, robot. Sweet dogs.
Filming.
Hey, too bad.
Filming.
Some progress on the 326 front splitter. It actually looks sick. Wait, was it meant for this bumper?
Yeah.
Damn. If you guys haven't seen the full 326 power kit, it is the widest and probably the most Gundam looking kit for the FRS yet. I should have waited. Just kidding. I'm so content with the rally backer.
Feel the bump.
Oh yeah, sure. The air suspension, oh likewise. Didn't really get a chance to end the video earlier today, so we're just gonna do that now. So the place we looked at earlier, honestly, it's a little bit out of our budget. Did you see the place? It's massive. Looking at it financially, it probably isn't the smartest move for me to make at this point. I mean, it is nice though to give ourselves an idea of what we may want our next collaborative workplace to look like or be like, you know? It is still on the table, but that place we looked at earlier, probably not that place. On to the next. Thank you guys for watching as usual. If you guys want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit the sub button with the notification button. Drop some likes, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.